Now I am going to solve this problem 146. In this problem, again this spacecraft is shown, and it is said that the plane is to fire 4 Newton thrusters is shown in order to spin up the spacecraft about its z-axis, right? But the thrusters at E fails, right? This thruster fails this at point E. So it is said that determine the equivalent force couple system at this point G for the remaining 3 thrusters, right? So we have these 3 forces. The force is produced by these thrusters, and as we can see that the direction of these forces is only along the y-axis, right? So if you want to find the resultant of these 3 forces, so our x and our z component of the resultant will be equal to 0, since all the forces are acting in the y direction, right? So if I write that the resultant is equal to, so then this will be equal to this 4 Newton, it is in the positive j direction, so I will write plus 4, and this one is minus 4, and this one is also minus 4, right? So I will write minus 4, and all these are acting in the j direction, so I will write j. So this cancels out, and the resultant magnitude or the resultant vector is equal to minus 4j. This is the vector of the resultant, and the magnitude is minus 4, right? And to replace these 3 forces by a force couple system at G, so we will find the moment due to all these 3 forces about this point G. So if we look into these forces, these 3 forces from this direction, right? So if I write that the moment about G will be equal to, since this spacecraft is symmetrical, right? So this 4 Newton and this 4 Newton have the same perpendicular distance from the y-axis, right? So this one has 625 from this y-axis in this direction, and this 4 Newton has 625 in this direction, and both are acting in the same direction, right? But they will produce the moment along x in the opposite direction, right? So this 4 Newton force is producing moment in this direction, this one, right? So if we curl our right hand fingers, right, so this, the thumb will point out in the positive x direction, this will be the thumb direction, right? Since this is the counterclockwise moment, and if we find the direction of the moment produced by this 4 Newton force, so this will be the direction, this will be this direction, and if we curl our right hand finger, so this will be clockwise moment, and the thumb will point out in this direction, right? So both of these are producing the same moment but in the opposite direction, so they will cancel out each other, right? As we can see that this 4 Newton force has some perpendicular distance, this 625 mm, right? So again it is producing some moment about the x-axis, right? So these 4 Newton forces cancel out each other moment, so we are only left with this 4 Newton force which is also producing the moment about x-axis. So what is the magnitude of that moment? So that moment will be 4 into 625 mm, and if we divide 625 mm by 1000, so it will be 0.625, and what will be the direction of the moment produced by this 4 Newton force? So this will be the direction clockwise, right? This is the clockwise from this direction, and if we curl our right hand fingers, our thumb will point out in the negative x direction, so I will write minus I, right? So this is the moment about G along the x-axis, right? Now we will observe these forces from the y direction, but before that, as we can see that all these forces are parallel to the y-axis, so they will never produce any moment about y-axis, right? So the y component of the moment about G is 0, right? So I can write that G is 0j. And similarly, if we look into these forces from this z direction, right, from the top, so this 4 Newton, again this 4 Newton and this 4 Newton, they have the magnitude of these forces is same, and similarly the perpendicular distance of these forces are same, right? And they are in the opposite direction. Since they are in the opposite direction, so they will produce a couple, right? So we can find the magnitude of that couple by writing 4 into the perpendicular distance between these two, from this direction, right? So what will be the perpendicular distance? So 500 plus 500, so that is 1000. So 1000 divided by 1000 is 1 meter, right? So this is 4 into 1. And what will be the direction of the moment produced by these two forces, that is the couple, right? So this will be the direction. And if we curl our right hand fingers in this direction, so our thumb will point out in this direction, right? So this is in the positive direction, so I will write plus here. And similarly, now we are left with this 4 Newton force, so it is also producing the moment about the z axis, since it has some perpendicular distance from the z axis, and this 4 Newton force is producing the moment in this direction, right? And if we curl our right hand fingers, so the thumb will point out in this direction, in the positive z direction. And what will be the magnitude? So since it is in the positive direction, so I will write 4 plus, and I will write 4 into the perpendicular distance of this 4 Newton force from the z axis is again 500, right? So I will write 500. So 500 divided by 1000, so it is 0.5, and this whole moment is along k axis, right? So this is, if we simplify this, so we will get the moment vector about g. So now this is the moment due to these three forces about point g, right? So if we want to replace these three forces by a force coupled system at this point g, so we will draw that resultant. So if this is that resultant and the resultant is in the negative j, right? So we will represent it like this. So this is that resultant which is acting in the negative y direction. And if you want to represent this moment, so one of the component of this moment is in the negative I direction and another component is in the positive z direction, right? So if I represent that, so that moment will be in this direction. Its one component is in the negative x direction, so let me draw the components as well, right? So its one component will be in this direction, in the negative x, and its one component will be in the positive k direction, right? And this mg, the couple moment, is in the xz plane, remember, right? This is the solution of this problem.